In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Airtable Base ID. We'll walk through this straightforward process step by step, making it easy even if you're new to Airtable. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by signing into your Airtable account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Airtable homepage. This is essentially your dashboard, your hub where all your bases live, and it serves as the perfect starting point for our task today. Now focus your attention on locating the base for which you want to identify the ID. Typically, these bases are highlighted for easy identification. Click on your chosen base, which will take you into the interface where you can explore, view, and manage your data comprehensively. The next step in this process is all about accessing the Help section. The Help button is usually quite accessible and is a terrific resource. It's designed to provide users with additional support and guidance. Click on the Help button, and this will give you access to a range of resources. Once you're in the Help section, look for the Additional Resources link and click on it. This area offers further reading materials and tools that could be of great interest, particularly when you're trying to delve deeper into the functionality of Airtable. As you explore these resources, the next step is to find and click on the API documentation. This documentation is especially crucial for developers and anyone looking to integrate Airtable with other applications. Still, for our purposes today, it's also where we'll pinpoint the magic: your base ID. On the API documentation page, direct your attention to the Introduction section. This part of the page provides you with a valuable overview of what the API can offer, detailing how it can serve your needs and what functions are at your disposal. It's in this section that you'll find the line, "The ID of this base is," followed by a string of characters. That string is your Airtable Base ID. Make sure to write it down or copy it. Having this ID is critical, especially if you're planning to use Airtable's API for other integrations or automations. And there you have it. You've successfully found your Airtable Base ID. This ID is key when it comes to accessing Airtable's API, and it's instrumental in integrating your workflows with other tools and platforms. With this vital piece of information at your fingertips, you're now well on your way to optimizing your processes and truly harnessing the power of Airtable. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and guides.